BlockDAG, Testnet is live. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto. Before I share with this live update on BlockDAG in Testnet, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Crypto Jewel, for more update. Okay, so today I will share with you this Testnet is live, join presale now by BDAG token. So the BlockDAG token is partnered with the international official blockchain partner, BlockDAG, the premium partner. No? So the presale already raised to 72.4 million. So join presale, then if you want to buy, so click how to buy. Then if you want to mine the BlockDAG token, so just download this mining app, download the X miner app. So today the testnet is finally live. Now you can check your dashboard into the BlockDAG, no? So this is the video of the BlockDAG. They are in the moon. Wow, BlockDAG. Exclusive support for private clients. So you can contact the BlockDAG admin. So their Telegram is BlockDAG Network Official. The next generation blockchain built for DeFi. You can buy in Ethereum, Tether, BNB. You can use your credit card, no? Then Google Play or Apple Pay. Join cloud mining, earn BDAG, enjoy. Okay, so this is the update for server number 1. The update for the testnet. Okay, you can try now in your dashboard. So I hope you learned something, and don't forget to like, share, and comment, and of course subscribe my channel so that I will reach 100 subscriber. Thank you and have a good day to all.